Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can use your cryptos to buy real world product and services. For example, e-commerce, goods and everything, because that's the way, because at the currently there are many shops, even Amazon, IKEA, everything, they don't support cryptocurrencies. But there is a way, if I tell you there's a way that you can use these cryptos to buy real world and product and services. Let's dive in. So this is where the CoinGate gift card comes in. So basically what you need to do is you need to go to coingategiftcard.com and you can use your cryptos to buy any of these gift cards. So basically you are using your cryptos to buy your favorite shops or anything. So you can see here there are lots of cards in gaming categories, travel, entertainment. Many things are there. I'm just checking e-commerce. Amazon.com, Zalando, IKEA, Sainsbury's, PCs and Carrie's World, Argos, John Lewis, Greg's, anything you name it, everything's down here. So you can go and list goes on again. So you can go there, you can buy your gift card, then use it on the website as normally you would do. So basically, only things you need to do is you need to pay with your crypto. So basically, you need to pay with your cryptos and buy your card. Then you can spend on it. So you can see all cards. If you go there are so many things. Even Google Play, Airbnb, many tons of things. Even Tesco's, you can do Tesco's, Apple iStores. If you are into cryptos, if you are thinking of buying it, buy a Costa card. Even Costa. Why don't you have a Costa Cafe Latte? Oh, macchiato, something like that. So you can do many things. Sports, even restaurants. Arsenal Football Club. That's a big yes. Under Armour. There are certainly many things there. Even travel. You can do travel as well. National Express is there. Airbnb, lastminute.com. Even you book your hotels and flights. Uber. Why not? So there are so many things in there. And let's have a look at the restaurants. What do they have? Starbucks, Deliveroo, Just Eat, Happy Cream, Krispy Kreme, Pizza Hut, Express, HelloFresh. So there are so many things in there. So this is one of the great websites. Go to CoinGate, the link in the bio. Then you can use your crypto to buy real world utilities. Why? Nobody said, look, adaptation is coming. There's a way. So hopefully this video is very helpful. If you like this video, please like that button and leave your comment down below and share it with your friends and family. I'd like to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.